I am Raju Garg, Vice President, Hitachi Systems Microclinic. Our goal was digitization of entire 1,326 police stations across the state of Bihar and contributing to the government's Digital India program and National E-Governance plan for transforming the police force into a knowledge-based unit, thereby improving the delivery of citizen-centric services. By using the latest technologies, we wanted to evolve an investigation of crime and detection of criminals in the state of Bihar, improve law and order in the state. The digitization of police station was needed as there was no central data system. Also, there was no tracking system to track all the FIRs and general diaries. There was a critical need to create ICT-enabled platform for sharing the data between police stations across the country in order to effectively deal with the criminals. As part of the prestigious crime and criminal tracking network and system, which is known as CCTNS, Hitachi partnered with one of the global leader in IT services for digitization of police stations in Bihar. Hitachi Systems Microclinic was responsible for procurement, commissioning, configuration of all IT infrastructure required for the project. So, we equipped and integrated the police stations with desktop, printers, laptops, digital pen, cameras, networking equipments and UPS also for continuous power supply and ensuring data migration and digitization of historical data. From project planning to operations, maintenance of project, for training, police force, everything was handled by Hitachi team so effectively. With the successful execution of the project, the police departments now have enhanced tool, timed information for investigating the crime, and a centralized repository of data on criminals with advanced search capabilities. Digitization has reduced the workload, enabled better coordination with external stakeholders, and improved the department's overall efficiency. The transparency and modernization of police stations have digitally empowered citizens. They can now easily log a complaint online without having a visit to the police stations. Citizens also have easy access to general services and can seamlessly register grievances against police, thus enhancing their quality of life a lot. Through this project, Hitachi has leveraged its expertise in OT and IT solution and made information and communication technologies an integral part of the process. By supporting India's evolution into a digitally empowered society and knowledge economy, Hitachi Social Innovation Business is empowering growth and is effectively supporting the government in controlling crime and maintaining police order. Hitachi is enhancing the social, environmental and economic values by enabling paper-free digital processes and creating a safer society for all of us.